everyone. Welcome to LoyLap's product demo video about custom branded apps. My name is Natasha Fonseca. I'm the Sales and Partnerships Manager, and I'm joined by my colleague James Telfer, who oversees our customer success team.
Hi, everyone.
James, for those of us who may not already know, what exactly is a custom branded app, and why would any business need one?
A custom branded app is simply a mobile application created to promote a business's brand. SMEs should all have one because they can drive consumer engagement and spend on a platform that has already captured their attention, their smartphone.
Branded apps are nothing new. Just like the rise of websites in the 90s, we've already seen a consistent trend of big businesses moving from websites into the mobile app space, and it started almost 15 years ago. Let's look at Pizza Hut. Believe it or not, PizzaNet was launched in 1994 as their first online ordering platform, and they became the first national chain to offer pizza delivery on the internet. The first item sold was a large pepperoni with extra cheese and mushroom, but with the rise of the iPhone and increased merchant spend on app development, by 2009, Pizza Hut successfully released an iOS app, which saw over 100,000 downloads in its first 2 weeks and surpassed $1 million in sales just after 3 months.
The ability to predict and track consumer behavior has been paramount to the success of many startups that went on to become multi-billion-dollar business ventures. If we take a look at Amazon, for example, in July 1995, Amazon opened as an online book retailer. The first title ever sold on Amazon.com was Douglas Hofstadter's Fluid Concepts and Creative Analogies, and within a month of going live, products were sold in all 50 states across the US and over 45 countries, with sales exceeding 200,000 a week. By March 2011, some 16 years later, Amazon released their own app market where developers earn 70% of the list price of an app or in-app purchases. They didn't just see the value of app development for their own business model, but they understood the reach and potential of the mobile app industry as a whole.
For our final example, let's take a look at Starbucks and their transition into mobile app loyalty and payments. Although Starbucks.com was only launched in 1998, in just over a decade, by September 2009, customers were able to check their card balance, load funds, and view their transaction history with the Starbucks Card mobile app for the iPhone and iPod Touch. This strategy was said to account for over 15% of their tender across their US retail stores. A spokesperson for Starbucks at the time said their aim was to link payment and loyalty into a unified user experience. And some 14 years later, we're hoping to enable all businesses to achieve that same goal.
If we consider the stats, according to Statista, in 2022, the number of unique mobile users stands at 5 billion.
In Q4 of this year, mobile devices, excluding tablets, generated approximately 60% of global web traffic.
Worldwide, the user spend on mobile apps on Apple's Play App Store and Google Play will reach 156 billion by the end of the year. When we consider the main benefits of mobile app development, there's a clear reason this medium has become so popular: convenience. So as you can see, I can open the app and check my balance on the front page. I can then see my balance is a little bit low, so I can tap the add money button and I tap top up now. I can see my top up bonus reward in real time, so I can see if I top up €5, I get 50 cents on top. I tap the tick and it will take me to checkout. I can also make this automatic, which means my balance will auto top up €5 when it falls below €5 automatically. As you can see, the more I top up, the bigger the bonus I get in terms of X. I can also add my card to my account, which will tokenize it and save me time when purchasing instead of having to enter my card details every time. I can then head to order and I can pick my time and date of collection. I can then scroll down to find my favorite items, pick which modifiers I want, and head to the checkout. I can add a note for my collection and pay with either my balance from the top up or my tokenized card. My app will save my recent orders and allow me to reorder my favorite items at the click of a button.
So you simply can't undervalue the ability to communicate with your customers day or night with your brand in their pocket.
Within the LoyLap dashboard is the ability to create campaigns, and with that we can use that to leverage push notifications to customers to get them to look up campaigns and act on them accordingly. On my screen here you can see there was an event on the 24th of March for a merchant under the name of Florence Coffee, and if we go to edit, once we've set our campaign and gone through all the setup of adding our own image and a description, we've set our parameters, we've set our rewards, and then we can go to push notifications and we can edit, we can give it a push notification title, we can add content, and then we can either schedule it on release or we can schedule it to go at a certain date of time, and then providing we've ticked this box, it'll go out to everyone who's got the app installed and push notifications enabled. And finally, the ability to influence consumer behavior. Once a customer has started transacting with your business, they'll be registered into the customers database within your LoyLap dashboard. From there, they're easily findable and you can view their account and view all of their details, including their last visit and any link cards, as well as individual transactions. From there, you can also see their current balance, how much credit they've earned and credit redeemed across all of their lifetime of the account, as well as their overall transactions. In order to influence consumer behaviours between loyalty alone and campaigns, one example that you may do is to give the ability to apply certain discounts. So in this instance of this, we would have a student discount group where they get X% off 10% utilising the campaign. Now, in order to do that, what they would need to do is be part of that group. So once we've created and found our customer and want to add them to that group, we can go to edit, and then we can do their role and we can apply them to that group that then will apply the discount at checkout.
With so much different functionality available and so much involved in building an app, it's hard to imagine an affordable price point when you take into account all the work involved. You've got the app design, development, testing, launch, bug fixes, maintenance, updates, as well as marketing and sales. But it's worth noting that if you're allocating resources to a mobile app, is the budget for a website still necessary to accomplish the same goal? You could be spending anywhere between €5,000 to €50,000, but with LoyLap, it's a one-time fee of €1,500 to €1,100 based on the functionality included in your monthly subscription and an annual maintenance fee of €130. With the starter plan at €15 per month, it includes gift card functionality as well as loyalty and mobile top-up, whereas the Grow plan at €45 per month includes all of that in addition to online ordering. Our Pro plan at the higher end of the scale at €75 per month with a custom branded app comes to €1,305, a difference of more than €3,695 to about €48,695.
Savings are massive, and the ecosystem that's included in this investment will allow you to grow your business with online ordering, cashless payments, loyalty, gift cards, and data-driven insights.
If you're interested in learning more about LoyLap for your business, schedule a demo by following the link in our description.